Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of a plaza on Constant Spring Road. So this is the development. We have to do it from next door because we asked if we could go onto the property, but they said no. So this is it. There's supposed to be a supermarket over here along with these stores. It's we're going to show you the picture of the sign soon. So we're just going to park up and see if we can get a better. It's actually a very big development. We're going to try and there you can see the top of it, and it goes all the way back down here, and it looks like it's close to being completed. Alright, so we're going to show you the picture now of what it's going to look like when it's completed. And we are on Constant Spring Road, right by we're actually in the plaza where Taboo is, and a furniture store, Furniture Land. So it's right next door to that. And straight ahead on this road is straight ahead there, that is what you call it now, Shortwood Road. So this is the sign, and there you can see retail shops for lease. This one doesn't have a building, doesn't have a name. It just says 106 to 110 Constant Spring Road. And then here now is I guess the info. There is the development. Looks like it's going to be finished this year based on how far they've reached. Alright, so that's Shortwood Road straight ahead, and if they follow the formula, they'll do well, because Constant Spring Road is a busy area, busy road. So if they have a supermarket and then they go ahead and have food stores over there, they should do well. Alright, so just giving you an update on the project. So this is the intersection with Shortwood Road now. Turn left, we're going to Shortwood Road. Turn right, we're going to Central Avenue. And this is actually another development that's going on over here on the left. Alright, so we're going to continue down on Shortwood Road now. Sorry, Constant Spring Road. And as you can see, this road was recently renovated. Very nice dual carriageway. This is actually the model for which all the main roads in Jamaica should look. There's active traders on the left. Now, there are some advantages to having the dual carriageway like this with the concrete barricade. It helps to prevent indiscipline on the road, so persons can't just turn across the road and go on the other side. It also has a drawback. Like last year, there was an accident out here where a bus crashed and it blocked up the road. It caused like a 9-car collision, or the road was blocked. So with the concrete barricade there, the Jersey barrier, persons couldn't pass. They had to literally block the road off at the top. The cars turn around and go back up. Alright, so this is Dunrobin Avenue here now. Turn right. Dunrobin takes you to Washington Boulevard, and that's where you get onto Mandela Highway. And that massive building that's on the left, that's under construction, that's the Rogers Apartments. It's going to be 20 floors, and literally you can see it from anywhere in Halfway Tree. Now, I had made a joke about the a building. I said a building is so tall you can see it from anywhere in Jamaica. But guys, that was a joke. I mean, you probably can see it anywhere from in Kingston, or the new Kingston Halfway Tree area, but yeah, it's going to be 20 floors. It's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica when it reaches 18 floors. Wow. There is the Rogers, and I think it's at about 14 or 15 floors there now. And you can clearly see that building from anywhere in the Halfway Tree area. We're going to turn here on South Avenue and head back up to Waterloo Road. Now that building on the right is 20 South. And then over there where you see that crane, that is the Terra Nova Hotel being built. And to show you just how massive this building is, the Rogers. Here you can see it being built. And it hasn't reached 18 floors yet. Because when it reaches 18 floors, it will officially be the tallest building in Jamaica. Right now, the Jamaica Pegasus at 17 floors is the tallest building in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.